What's going on? Jim from Grassroots Drumming. Fun fills. The goal is to get you set up playing right away to learn some fun patterns that should be accessible for beginners. And we're going to go ahead and start thinking eighth notes. We count eighth notes as, in this case, 4/4 time, 1 and 2 and. This fill, the first level will start on beat 2. So it sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That part's the double bass. I'll go ahead and demonstrate it just so you can hear that count. All right, leading with the right hand will be significantly easier. We go right, left, right, and then our left hand gets ready for that high tom. As I'm playing that high tom, my right hand is smoothly moving over to the floor tom, to the bass, and then here. And what we need to do now is put a groove to it. A simple groove for beginners, but also a very, very popular groove, I might say. The eighth notes on the hi-hat are your best friends. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So if you're going faster, some players will do the left, but since we've learned the hi-hat pattern with the right hand, it'll probably be best to keep what you've been working on. If anything, you don't want a newer player sometimes add a beat like this. See how we had that, I wouldn't say pause, but we had a buffer. And then we got to the hi-hat, so you really want to internalize that. I'll demonstrate. I'm going to play the groove a couple of times at a slow tempo. And I'm going to play a bar, and then the next bar will be the fill back to the groove. Here we go. And my cymbals are low, so I did find that I'm doing the pattern, crash, and then right to the hi-hat. So that will be definitely easy to do that way. Let's try it again a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please smash that like button, hit the like button, whatever you want to do, because it reaches other awesome people like you, and it lets me know if I should create more in this playlist. Fun fills for everybody. Take care, keep playing, happy music making, and all that good stuff. Bye-bye.